Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming what to keep. Export bookmarks or ensure sync is up to date. This prevents accidental loss. Next, sign out of the Chrome profile you want removed so cookies and session data are cleared properly. Once done, close all additional Chrome windows and stop background apps. Make sure you're signed into a different admin profile on the computer if necessary. This avoids permission issues when deleting profile data from disk. You'll now remove the profile from Chrome itself. Go to Settings, find You in Google, then Manage Profiles. This lists every local profile. Click the profile you want, hit the three-dot menu, and choose Remove this profile, confirm when prompted. This deletes the profile's local data and disconnects sync from that account. Make sure Chrome finishes the process. Don't force quit the browser until Chrome reports completion, because some cached files may still be clearing. You're almost done, now clear any remaining files. Navigate to Chrome's User Data folder and remove leftover profile directories named Profile X or the profile's custom name. This ensures no stray data remains. If you encounter permission errors, restart the computer and try again as an administrator, and make sure Chrome isn't running in the background. If the profile still reappears, sign out of the Google account in Browser Settings and revoke device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.